Hello, welcome back. So in this video we will understand VS Code, how to install VS Code in your local machine and how to work with Git using VS Code just to do the development work in VS Code using our AI stuff. Okay, so this tutorial is for beginners who are using the VS Code very first time. And yeah, so why we have chosen this VS Code? Because of it is lightweight and it has a lots of powerful extensions for their work, and we also have a very handy and easy to use for the VS Code for our development work, and it is also aligned with the GitHubCopilot AI. Okay, because this is a Microsoft product, and VS Code is very much coupled with GitHubCopilot, and it is very useful in our development work, right? So let's begin with our GitHub VS Code stuff in our local machine. So first of all, we will download this VS Code from the internet in our local machine, and then we will log into the GitHub account just to use our GitHub Copilot, and we will install all the set of extensions here. Okay, just to use it in our development, and then we will understand what is the way to work with the project in our VS Code using GitHub repository. So that's all. So this is the small journey with this VS Code, and yeah, so let's begin. So we have to download this VS Code latest version from internet in your local machine and install it. So I have downloaded it in my local machine, and let me show you. So there is a download. Okay, so this is the location where I have downloaded it. Let me run the installation. I accept the agreement. Next. It's a pretty easy to install in your local machine. You have to just follow the instructions, and let's launch it after installation complete. Okay, so here you go. So this is the VS Code editor where you can do the development. Okay, so this is our very first step: install VS Code in your local machine. And just to leverage our AI stuff, GitHub Copilot AI stuff in your VS Code, so what you have to do, you have to just log into your GitHub account. Okay, so I have opened my GitHub repository. You can go here and you see this is my GitHub repository. Let me go here in my repository section, and I have a project like demo, example, template. So what I will do here, I will use this template just for showing how to use GitHub in your VS Code, right? So before that, let me finish our setup part in our VS Code. So let's log in. Because I have logged in already, let me log out and then log in it again. So you can go here and log in to use AI extensions, AI features. So so let's log in. Because I have opened this session in this browser, so it will ask like this, and let's continue and authorize it. Let's authorize it. Open Visual Studio. That's it. So you can see here it is already logged in, and you can see the account detail here, right? So with that, the installation and login is completed. Now moving to the next part, which is the extensions, right? So you can install all these extensions. So how you can install the extensions like that, let me show you. So I just copy this and I will go to my VS Code. So there is a icon called extensions, right? So you can just click here and search for the extensions. Okay, so let's use this Java format extensions. So I have installed it. I have already installed it, so it is showing like uninstall. So likewise, you can search and install these extensions which is listed here, right? So these are the very limited extensions which I have jotted down here because we are doing very first time VS Code stuff. So I don't want to overwhelm. I don't want to show all the extensions which is useful, but these are the basic extensions which we can start with these. Okay, so once this extension installed, let me move to the next step, which is the working with Git. Okay, so we have a project in our repository, let's say template project. Okay, so this project I will use it for demo purpose, how to use project in our VS Code. And yeah, so let's copy this as a clone and let's go here. So I have opened this location, then I will say git clone and paste this URL, so it will clone this project. After that we will open this project. Okay, so let me go to this git cd template, git branch, what is the branch we have. So this is the main branch, so I'm in the master branch. Okay, so what we will do here, we will create the feature branch and all that. So before that I am trying to see whether do we have a git extension pack or not in my VS Code. So let's see here and let's verify it. So I have already git extensions here, git lens and all that, so you can use it. Okay, so let me go here, and what I will do here, I will drag and drop this project which I have just created. Okay, just cloned, go and drag and drop. Okay, so you can see here this template project which is opened here, and we can play with here. Whatever changes you want to do it here, you can do it. And so for that, let's say this is the existing project which I have cloned it and I have opened in the VS Code. So you are set with this agent to talk to agent and all that. So for that I have a different session, I will let you know. But in this session I will talk about only the how to set up VS Code in your local machine, so that you can use this GitHub Copilot, right? And yeah, so basically this is the pom.xml. let me add some comment, right? So let's say properties section. Okay, so this is a small change which I am doing it here. So why I am doing this, because I want to show you how to use Git in your VS Code, just to check in, check out, create a feature branch and all that, right? Let's not do right now. 1 second, let me cut it here. Okay, undo. So what I will do here, I am in the main branch, you can see here, right? So as per the list, so we have to create a branch, okay, from the main branch. So I have cloned the project, I have opened the project in the VS Code. Now you can go here, main branch, and you can create a branch from, you can say origin. Okay, from the origin, and you can say the branch name, let's say you can say like that 001. So this is the ticket number and this is the branch name. So I can use this ticket number as a branch name, and then I can say enter. So you can see here I have switched to this branch. Okay, so what I will do, I will just do some code changes, some commit and all that. So let me add some comment here. This is the one small change, and just to see the changes you just go here and see the changes. Okay guys, so this is the changes, it will show like this, green and red. So let me minimize this part. Okay, so you can see the changes, right? So what you can do here, you can just add it to the stage in order to push this code and commit the changes. Okay, let's do this, and you can use this AI feature just to generate the comment, right? As per the changes, so it will generate the comment here, code commit comment. Okay, and you can add something you can add ticket number or whatever is your pattern, right? How you are pushing the code, right? So I'm just using this sentence like that, and I will say like here, I will say commit and push. Okay, so you can see in the graph, you can also see here. Okay, so branch has no remote branch, would you like to publish this branch, right? So I can say okay, let's publish it. So this branch got published to our GitHub repository. Now it has code has pushed to the remote branch, right? So it is asking for creating the pull request. You can also do it from here, or you can go to your repository, GitHub repository, and go to the pull request. Okay, so you can create a pull request as well here, new pull request. Okay, so this is the one, this is the one which I have just pushed it here. So you can select it here and create a pull request. Okay, so you can give some comment here or whatever so you want, and let's create it. Okay, so this is the way you can do the pull request. You can create a pull request and you can share this pull request to the reviewer, and you can merge it. As you know, these are the typical way for this, right? So the moment I merge it, let's merge it. Okay, and that's all. So my code changes got merged to the main branch. Okay, so where I am, so in the template I am in the code, so you can see I am in the main branch. Okay, and my code got merged to the main branch from the feature branch, right? So you can verify it here. So this is a very basic and beginning level stuff which I am trying to explain, how to use VS Code with the GitHub and all these. Okay, so now I'm in the feature branch, so let's switch to the main branch. Okay, so this is the main branch, and you can see here there is a incoming changes are coming because I have pushed the changes to the remote and merged it to the main branch. But in my local main branch it is not reflected here, it is not synced here. So let's click on here and sync it. So you will see the comment here which we have done in the feature branch, right? You can see this. So now you can see the graph as well, right? So this is how we can leverage GitHub and Git Lens and stuff to play with this Git. Okay, working with Git and project and all that. And at very basic level, from the AI perspective, like we have logged in, we have connected to our account, GitHub account in this VS Code. Now it is ready to use for the AI stuff. So basically you can do anything with the AI agent here in this video. So what I can do here, I can open a project and I can open the window. So I can say new chat here, you can say like that, and I can say here like I want to use my AI stuff. So this is just high level I am telling. So you can say like that, hi, something like that. So I'm talking to the agent. Yeah, and you can choose any agent whichever you want, GPT, Gemini, or whatever. So I'm using this one by default one because this is the free subscription, so I don't have much privilege. But this is how I can showcase how to use the agent AI for our development work. So I can say like that, please or not please, I can prompt it like that, add Java doc. That's all. So it will do the changes automatically because I'm in the main branch. So ideally I should not do in the main branch, I should create the feature branch and then I will do the code changes and merge it to the main branch, right? As you know. But this is for demo purpose. I am just showing here it is how to see it is generated the code Java doc here as per our prompt, and you can do the keep changes if you want to keep it, or if you want to do some more changes then you can again give the prompt. Okay, you can say like that, okay, please add HTML code like like slash br line break or something like that, or if you want to say something. So let's say, can you add can you add some HTML tag in our Java code, something like that. Okay, so he's thinking and adding some code and all. So you can see here, yes, it is done that. See, BRB, UI, LI, all these things. Okay, so if you want to accept this, then keep it here and then got changes got reflected here, right? So basically I am doing in the main branch. Ideally I should not do in the main branch. So but you can see the changes here in template app, so you can see the difference, right? So this is how we use this Git in our VS Code and at high level. And for more detail you can just put comment, I can explain later. But this is how I just wanted to explain how to use Git and in our VS Code, and how to set up VS Code in your local machine, how to start with AI. So that's it from this video, and stay tuned. If you need any further input, just comment in my section or video sections, whatever. Okay, thanks for watching.